Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of my all-time favorite reads, Atomic Habits by James Clear. This book has completely changed the way I think about habits, growth, and self-improvement, and I can't wait to share its magic with you. So grab a snack, get comfy, and let's get started. So, what's this book all about? In Atomic Habits, James Clear explains how tiny changes, compounded over time, can create extraordinary transformations in your life. It's all about building better habits and breaking the bad ones through 4 simple rules: make it obvious, make it attractive, make it easy, and make it satisfying. Simple, right? But the impact is huge. Clear's philosophy? Focus on small, 1% improvements every day, because the results will blow your mind over time. Let's take a closer look at Atomic Habits. This book was published in 2018 by James Clear, who spent years studying habits, decision-making, and continuous improvement. It's set in a modern, everyday context, perfectly relatable for anyone navigating today's fast-paced world. All right, let's break it down a bit more. Here's what stood out to me the most about Atomic Habits. Small habits matter. Imagine improving just 1% every day for a year. You'd be 37 times better by the end of it. That's the power of small, consistent habits. Identity-based habits. Instead of saying, "I want to lose weight," say, "I'm someone who takes care of their health." Change your identity, and your habits will naturally follow. The habit loop. Every habit has a cycle, cue, craving, response, and reward. Want a good habit to stick? Optimize each part of that loop. For example, if you want to start running, lay out your running shoes the night before as a cue. It makes the habit easier to kick off. Environment is key. Want to eat healthier? Keep healthy snacks in plain sight. Want to stop procrastinating? Remove distractions from your workspace. Your surroundings shape your habits more than your willpower does. Now I will bring my summary of the main points. Small changes have a big impact. Lesson: small, consistent improvements can compound into remarkable results over time. Apply: aim to improve by just 1% every day in any area of your life. Read 1 more page, take 1 extra step, or save a little more money. Identity shapes habits. Lesson: to create lasting habits, focus on becoming the type of person who achieves your goals. Apply: identify your desired identity and act accordingly. For example, say, "I am a runner," and commit to running regularly. Systems over goals. Lesson: goals set the direction, but systems drive progress. Apply: instead of focusing solely on outcomes, e.g., losing weight, design daily routines like meal planning or consistent workouts. Make habits obvious. Lesson: habits thrive on clear cues. Apply: use visual reminders like placing your running shoes by the door to make actions unavoidable. Make habits attractive. Lesson: we are drawn to what is appealing. Apply: use temptation bundling. Pair a task you need to do with one you enjoy, like listening to a podcast while cleaning. Make habits easy. Lesson: reduce friction for good habits and increase it for bad ones. Apply: prep workout clothes the night before or delete distracting apps from your phone. Make habits satisfying. Lesson: immediate rewards encourage habit repetition. Apply: track progress visibly, like crossing off days on a calendar when you complete a task. Avoid habit plateau. Lesson: progress slows without challenge. Apply: use the Goldilocks rule. Choose tasks that are slightly beyond your current ability to stay engaged. Build habit stacking. Lesson: new habits are easier when tied to existing ones. Apply: use the formula: after current habit, I will, new habit, such as after brushing my teeth, I'll floss. Design your environment. Lesson: your surroundings influence your actions. Apply: keep healthy snacks visible and remove junk food from easy reach to promote better eating habits. Leverage social influence. Lesson: we mimic the habits of people we admire or groups we belong to. Apply, join communities with habits you aspire to develop, like fitness groups or book clubs. Overcome temptation. Lesson, self-control is less effective than avoiding triggers. Apply, remove cues for bad habits, like keeping your phone out of the bedroom to avoid late-night scrolling. Use the 2-minute rule. Lesson, start small to overcome resistance. Apply, break down habits into tiny actions, read 1 page instead of read for an hour. Create accountability. Lesson, others can motivate us to stick to commitments. Apply, share your goals with a friend or partner, or use a habit contract with consequences. Embrace deliberate practice. Lesson, improvement requires focus and feedback. Apply, identify weak points in your habits and work on them intentionally to get better. Reflect and review. Lesson, regular reviews prevent complacency. Apply, check your progress monthly, identifying successes and areas for adjustment. Understand habit loops. Lesson, habits form through cue, craving, response, and reward. Apply, focus on improving each element of your desired habits for better outcomes. Automate where possible. Lesson, make good habits effortless through automation. Apply, set up automatic savings or recurring reminders for important tasks. Handle boredom. Lesson, staying consistent despite monotony is key to mastery. Apply, develop a mindset that embraces routine and celebrates incremental progress. Avoid over-attachment to identity. Lesson, sticking rigidly to an identity can limit growth. Apply, allow your identity to evolve, but it's okay to change as your goals and interests shift. Wow, follow my favorite takeaways. Every action you take is a vote for the type of person you wish to become. You do not rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your systems. Use these lessons and strategies to build better habits and enjoy lasting personal growth. Change doesn't have to be drastic, even small steps can lead to extraordinary outcomes. So, would I recommend Atomic Habits? Absolutely! Whether you're trying to get fitter, be more productive, or just build better habits overall, this book is a game changer. It's packed with practical tips, science-backed strategies, and stories that inspire you to take action. And the best part? It's easy to read, even if you're new to self-improvement books. Alright, folks, that's it for today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more book reviews, and drop a comment below with your favorite habit-building tips. And hey, if you've already read Atomic Habits, let me know what your biggest takeaway was. Until next time, keep building those habits and chasing those dreams. See you in the next video. Bye.